Hey, welcome back everyone. So we're doing the Hardie plank, the second board now. So we got these Gecko Gauge 5% siding gauge, which works super great. So got this board here. I think I told you about in the last video. If you put one Gecko Gauge on this end and one 12-foot down the way, there's going to be a sag in the board. So you can't just, unless you have multiple gauges. I only have 2. If you had 4, you could probably do them every couple feet, and you'd probably be golden. But I only got 2. Decently expensive, at least when I bought them. So what you're gonna do, I'm just gonna come over like, oh, I don't know, a foot. Put the gauge in there, bring it up snug, make sure it's snug to the bottom there. Okay, and then just take that and snug it all the way over. Now, it's nice on there. Then what we're gonna do, we're gonna move down about another couple feet. Put it in right about here. Work it in, sorry, kind of work it in there. I'm trying to hold the camera to do this, but yeah. Just work it in there until it's snug, and then move the latch up. There we go. And then all we're gonna do is take the board and put it up there. Trying to give you an angle here. Let's see here. Hold on a second. Maybe I can just put you over here. So, yeah, you can probably see what's going on there. Can't really hear me though. At any rate, I'm gonna get the board, put it in there, and then you'll see me kind of walk my way down. I'm gonna secure it at this end. I don't know if you can see me. I'm gonna secure it at this end first here. Then once it's secured, I'm gonna take this gauge and move it down. And I'll probably do like 2 nails, and then I'll probably take this, move it down like 2 feet, and then secure it, a couple more nails, probably then take this gauge and move it down a couple more feet, and so forth. And you'll see what I'm doing here. So down further, so it's not the whole board's not just falling on me here. first I'm going to secure this. Oh, that's what it was. I'm going to walk this gauge down towards that one. So this one in, and then I'm going to move the gauge down towards that far one. Hopefully this does. Probably doing this a little more than I don't want to be sagging. There. And one more. And there we go. So first, yeah, I think I told you wrong. It's been a long time since I've done this. Comforting words, right? I did my whole house though, so I know a little bit about it. It's just been a little bit since I've done it. So yeah, put one gauge on, probably about, I want to say maybe like about a foot, and have the other one down there. Secure this one right with the first gauge, and then maybe do even 2 nails, and then walk the gauge down about 2 feet. Make sure it's flush with the bottom here. Push up from the bottom snug, lock it in, secure it with another nail or 2, take the gauge out, move it down again until you get down to the end, and I would say you're probably good with about 2 feet in between the gauges. You're not going to have a crazy amount of sag right there. It's going to be so little it's negligible, but definitely want to do that way to prevent sagging. And you can see, yeah, you can see it's still nice and level. So if you're, especially if you're doing like, well, I noticed it when I was doing my house actually. This is why I know this. Because I was doing my house and I was doing just one on one end and one on the other end, and there was a sag in the middle as I looked along it. And so, yeah, this will prevent your boards from sagging in the middle, and it'll keep them nice and level. So just, yeah, walk the gauges down, one on one end, one on the other, yes, but secure one end and then walk that gauge down towards the other one, and that'll solve your problem with sagging. Unless you have like four gauges for a 12-foot board, would probably be just fine if you staggered them out, and so you could buy 4 of them and not have to do this. But I'm cheap, so there we go. I think that's it. And I think I told you before, I drew lines where the studs were, so I'm trying to go into the studs all the way down. That's probably a good idea if you can do it. Make sure you get your planking, your siding, lap siding into some studs. And then they said you can do a second nail here on these side ones. I don't know if I'm going to or not. I did on my house, but this is just a tree house, so I don't know if I'm going to or not. But anyway, I hope that helps how to use the Gecko Gauges for your Hardie plank siding, and hope that tip helps you to keep your boards from sagging. So thanks for watching, everyone. Hope you're able to hear me all right. I don't know how well the microphone works on this thing. So yeah, have a great day. Good luck with your Hardie plank siding there, lap siding. Have a great day, everyone. Okay, bye.